Hello, my name is Arthur, and in this video we're carrying on with the moving platform. This time we're going to deal with the block issue. So we want to make it so the block can't get pushed underneath the platform and just stay there and get stuck. So we'll do what we can for that. So we'll come into the platform script, and this is going to start with we'll need some variables. So we're going to need a variable for direction. We're going to need a variable to determine that we need to move the block. We're going to set that to null. And then we're going to, what else is there? We'll need to have a value for the impulse strength. When we apply an impulse to a rigid body, we need a push strength. So let's try that at around the same that we use for the player. I think was 20 or something like that. So on damage zone body entered, if body is in group bodies, so if a block gets pushed under, move block equals body. Okay, and down here, if body here, let's just copy this one. We'll do a little copy paste scripting. Move block equals null. Okay, so maybe we didn't actually need the variable for direction. Maybe that can be local. Actually, no, it shouldn't be done locally. So we'll actually calculate direction here, and that would start with a temp variable. So we want variable temp equal to self dot position, which we could also just write position, direction to body dot position dot position. Is there something wrong with that? What's this warning? Local variable is declared but never used. Okay. Not sure what that's about. Not sure why that didn't autocomplete. When it doesn't do an autocomplete, it always makes me wonder what's going on. So direction will equal ABS temp divided by temp, and this should be temp x, temp dot x divided by temp dot x, and that should be okay, but we may need to come back here and multiply that by -1, or we can do it in function process too, I suppose. We could change push to a minus number if push comes to shove. Pun intended. Function process delta. I don't think we'll need delta, so we'll just not run into that error right away. Let's just clear some spaces around function. So then we would go if move block move block dot apply central impulse vector 2 direction comma 0 times push, and we'll fix that typo, times push. So yeah, I would have to possibly multiply by -1 here to get that to work properly. This should all be fine though. This is pretty much right out of the player script for applying an impulse to a rigid body. So let's see what we get here. Oh, he's pushing it at me. No, that's not going to work out. Stop fighting me. So yeah, that's going in the wrong direction. We'll want it to get thrown out the other side. So let's just give this some brackets. Make sure we get order of operations correctly. Times -1. Oops, -1. Now it should kick it out the other direction. And we'll just want to make sure it moves with enough force to clear itself. And we'll try from the other side, see how far it goes without the wall there. And let's try to time it. The thing to do now is to find out if it can get stuck anyways. So it went a little distance. That's open to change. I'm happy with that the way it is. That's one of those things. I think I could reduce the weight of this block. So I almost got it stuck there. Bye-bye. Ow. And I did get it stuck in the corner. So that's a reason for a map change where I would put a block into the corner or make a special angle block for corners. Because if this block was necessary, and in the next video it may become necessary to put on top of a switch, that would activate our moving platform. And well, we'll get to that one in the next video and see how that works. I'm not really sure how that's going to work with the tween. So I'm going to have to find out on that. And yeah, that'll be in the next video. And until then, take care.